Yo, what's good, guys? So this is going to be the fourth one, right? Yeah, I think fourth Flea Pop event. It's crazy. This time we had, I think, 43 vendors. The last one had 37. So this one is even bigger. Everyone's already almost set up. I got the hats. I'm selling some merch. If you guys want to pull up to the next one, obviously you're not here right now while you're watching this video. It's 18736 Amar Road in Walnut, California. The Flea Pop Instagram will be down below. It's flea.pop. Time to get it started. Let's go.
What you got your eye on, bro?
Size is this, though? A double XL, dog. That's big. You want to show some of your stuff? Come on, bro. With the homie right here, Navs, Deals, and Steals.
The page is Navs, Deals, and Steals, bro. I got a wide selection of, bro, I got $10 racks, $5 racks, whatever it is that you need, I probably got it for you. And I don't tax. Let's get that straight. I don't tax. I'll be giving you the deals. Got the Looney Tunes joints, NASCARs, the band tees. I mean, shoot me a follow on Instagram. I got y'all for sure. Appreciate you guys.
So we got this right here, banging with the back hit, you know, little grill. We got the shoes too. We sell the laces, you know what it is. I call this the Reese's Pieces, you know, a little chocolate. Cause the regular laces it comes with, they're all right, man, they're all right. We got those fall grays already. You know, the university red. Check out the Halloween tee. October, y'all ain't ready? You know? Yeah. Hold up. Look, watch, check this out. Look, you got the Scream tee. Then you got the university red. You wanted a match? Throw some gray laces on it. Boom, that's a fit.
Month is the month.
Are you size 10? Are you size 10? Yeah. It's good, G.
Morning.
What time did you get here? Chilling, bro. Fucking hot. I feel it. What's good, bro?
Yo, what's good, bro?
Introduce yourself and show them some of the pieces.
Oh yeah, for sure, man. What's good with y'all, man? It's 4014 East. A lot of these pieces I've done curated. I've owned for the last 10 plus years. See right here, it's a little joint I've had. Been in the family for a couple years, you know what I mean? Cool little things. Cop a lot of sports tees. I mean, little some. I've been a collector, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, so I never really thought about selling. Yeah. And then so I just decided, I said, you know what I mean? Like, I might as well just bless people. I've already worn it. I've done my time with it. And so just pass it on. Yeah, man, y'all trying to shop with me, man. We got, you know, I got some old school tees too. Just some plain Janes. Plain Janes right here.
I like the hangers, bro.
Hey, appreciate it, man. Yeah. A couple hats too, man. I done had for a couple years too. Little Spanish. Yeah, man. You know what I mean? Hey, it's a Filipino on me, man. Yeah. We had this. You feel me, man?
I feel that, bro.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
I appreciate
you.
That,
I appreciate you, my guy.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir.
You guys have any other Ed Hardy stuff? It's just this one?
What do you think about when you're looking at something?
Just because Ed Hardy's kind of popping right now. So this is cool for $10, and I like the colorway. Those Supersonics. I'll take it. Is it too hot right now? Trying to stay in the shade? Yeah.
Okay, got you.
Thank you. Patty. Patty. Let's go, bro.
Good, bro.
How's it going? How's it going?
Going good. Another day in paradise, you know.
Okay, show me your stuff, bro.
Getting sunny out. So we got play specs right here. So some accessories, got some rings, bandanas, keep you cool.
Oh, these are play off the shades oh no, kind of like the one I'm wearing right
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They're affordable, they're cheap. If you lose them, you don't even feel it too bad, you know what I mean?
Mirror too?
Yeah.
Show me your guesties, bro. This is crazy. You got a lot.
I'm Brian's Lunchbox, and this is pretty much my stand of curated tees, mostly from the 90s. I like to sell things that bring back nostalgia from most people's childhoods. I got like a gang of guest tees right here. I like these ones personally, like the brighter ones, but I got rare ones, common ones, every day. Got a whole bunch of them. Over here I got like a whole bunch of like snack tees and promo tees. I like characters and like snacks and stuff. And like, you know, anything that brings back my childhood, I like to put on a t-shirt. I also got a couple lunchboxes over here to kind of like just make a statement of what I sell and my curation. And yeah, check this out.
Gonna do Venmo, cash, Venmo? Yeah. 60, right?
Yes, sir.
10 and 50, right? Alright, bro. This one's gonna be like one of those like throw on, like everyday type too.
This one's cool, yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. I like the fade on it, bro. Thank you, dog. Appreciate you, bro. Yes, sir. The homie came through, copping the Flea pop with the Kanye on the side. Yes, sir. 40. Appreciate you, dog. Yes, sir. Thank you, bro.
Hi, I'm the Blex. This is my shop, Future of Fine. These are my favorite pair of jeans that I'm selling right now because they're Ed Hardy and they have rhinestones and pretty trendy right now. And we have this dead stock Power Puff tee because like I'm more of a 2000s shop, so I have all of that. This is not gonna fit any girl, but maybe like their child would enjoy it.
She's the first one to pull up with that. The pop-up.
Oh yeah, I have a little fitting room so all the girls can try on their jeans because a lot of times they'll literally say, I won't buy it unless I know it fits, so it pays off. And yeah, I have a website, futureoffine.com, and this is pretty much it.
What's up, dude? No, you can't have any, man. No. You always want to eat all of our candy. No, you have to eat just vegetables. No candy, just vegetables.
No, gummies.
Gummies?
What's up? I'm Leonard from Los Angeles Garb. We also have Mata Vintage and Vibrant Vintage Co. in here. We also are selling the Forest Lab. We also have designs like Browzilla, Step Brothers. But we also have bangers like Veggie Tales and Veggie Tales. We have
Got some wrestling joints.
the wrestling joints. And then we stay on deck with NASCAR t-shirts in here. NASCAR t-shirts in here are a big deal. I used to wear these t-shirts in high school, right? And now I design for them. And so this is the first drop. And this is our first t-shirt. This is my first t-shirt I made. So it's supposed to be Dennis Rodman. No, there's no backhand on this one. It's just like basically graphed right after the Rodzilla shirt. Yeah. So we also made it in Giannis too. So it says Greekzilla on it. So yeah.
Tell them about your trade, bro.
Yeah, talk about that. Yeah, because that's Flea Pop lore.
What's up, guys? It's Mata Vintage, and I was walking around. I started with $1, and I kept trading up, and now I worked up to this piece. It's a 90s Veggie Tales crew neck, and I'm debating if I should keep it or keep going. Let me know. many tickets you need to secure the W.
Just one, bro.
Oh, that's so true.
Damn. Alright, just like, no, I'm playing.
We're gonna do the raffle. Raffle time, raffle time, raffle time. Everyone with the last minute. 2.
Yeah, I'll get you two.
Last chance. You got 2 minutes.
Wanted to get caught in the edges.
Right here.
Are you picking the ticket?
Sure. Why not?
Come on, Clarky.
Come on. Go. Come on. Right there, right there, right there.
Okay, close your eyes, Clark.
Close your eyes, close your eyes.
No, don't go to sleep, dude. Just close your eyes.
Just close your eyes and pull the ticket.
Close your eyes. Okay, put your hand inside. Put your hand inside. Don't look.
Don't look.
Just one.
Just grab just one. Don't look.
Here we go.
All right, 6. Everyone said yes. Everyone has 6. 6, 9, 7, 1.
Damn.
9, 8, 7.
I got it.
Yay! 6, 9, 7, 1, 9, 8, 7. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh yeah, let me show the ticket.
Hey, high five, high five.
You pulled that? All right. I knew he was a lucky kid. I knew it. I saw it. I was like, that kid's gonna help me out today. I knew it, bro.
Come on, Clarky.
Damn. Of course. Thank you, everyone.
I honestly thought I had it. I really thought I had it.
Dude, that was crazy. All right, Doc. Good to see you, bro. Yes, sir. Yo, super, super blessed. Thank you to everyone who pulled up. This was a great event. Everyone was bringing out bangers. Even myself, I was able to cash out and buy a little bit of pieces. But yeah, once again, I want to thank everyone who came, everyone who vended, the cameraman. I'm gonna put his link down below, so make sure to follow him because his content is crazy. But yeah, I just want to thank everybody. The 5th Flea Pop event is gonna be next month. It's always on the 3rd Sunday of every month. So make sure to pull up, and thank you again to everyone. You already know slogans, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good? Okay.